It brings a tear to my eyes.
Oh yeah, what's going on YouTube? Nick here, coming at you with another video. In this video, I want to share with you the top essential things that I have in my car all the time when I'm driving for Uber and Lyft to help me earn more tips and get a 5-star rating. Alright guys, so one of the very first things you're going to need, and it's probably obvious, but I'll just say it, you're going to need a phone, alright? You need to download the app, the Uber app, the Lyft app, get it on your phone. Second thing I would say you're going to need is you're going to need a phone mount. I have two over here. I know it's crazy, but I have this top one here for my daughter if I want to put on a YouTube video for her when she's sitting in the back. The other thing I like about these mounts right here is that they're very adjustable. They're very solid, very adjustable, and you can put them in basically any position that you want. This mount will even come off of the windshield and it can flip over and you can mount it right here on your dash if that makes things easier for you. I think one of the best parts about this, easy to put your phone into the mount and it holds secure without having to do anything. Like you can do it with one hand and your hands free in just a second, and that's it. That's all I have to do. So it makes it real easy while I'm driving. It makes it super simple. So the next thing you're gonna need is a phone charger. I use these chargers right here. Anchor is the brand. I really love this brand. They make an awesome USB charger for your car. It is a rapid charger, so it's gonna charge your phone, your devices a lot faster than a normal charger would. The problem I was having before with my other charger is it wasn't charging my phone fast enough because you have basically 3 apps running. You have your Uber app running, your Lyft app running, and then you're also going to have a GPS running. And with all 3 of those apps running, your phone really dies down. I was having a hard time keeping my phone charged, so I looked for a rapid charger. I got this Anchor, and I've been very happy with this charger. I haven't had any problems, and it charged my phone super fast. And it even comes with dual ports, so that's definitely a good strategy to help you get more tips, is always have charger and cables for your passengers so they can charge their phone. A great way to always get good tips when you're driving, you have people in the cars, have a fresh smelling car. I use these essential oil vent clips right here. So they come with a little pad on the inside here. These little pads, you put a few drops of essential oils on there. I use eucalyptus. It's very calming, the eucalyptus. It's not too overbearing like those cheap air fresheners that you buy, like the Christmas tree air fresheners that just basically choke people out. Now you don't have to have one of these, but I do highly suggest it as a dash cam. I use the Vantage N2 Pro. This gives a great forward shot and a backward shot. And as you can see, it gives a great shot of the cabin. You can also see my daughter's car seat back there. Number one, you want this to protect yourself while you're driving. You can protect yourself in accidents, so you'll have proof in your dash cam because it also shows to the front. Well, for your safety, in case a passenger tries to say that you did something to them or something happened in the car, you have the video proof to keep yourself innocent, any accusations anybody might be giving you. And the last thing you might want to do with this, and why I really love it, is the fact that you can record the inside of your car. You know, you get some great videos of you and your family. I get great videos of me and my daughter. I absolutely love this camera. If you care about that kind of thing, it's a great addition to your car. Get the camera so you can capture memories of you and your family. Guys, and not only having a fresh smelling car is important, but you gotta have a clean car. I always try to have my car as clean as possible the first time I pull up to a customer, because first impressions are everything. If you pull up and your car's clean, looking good, they're gonna start the trip off happy. They're not gonna be discouraged because they're looking at a dirty car, someone that doesn't take care of their car. And I keep everything I need to keep my car clean on the outside and also on the inside with me all the time. So when I have some downtime, maybe I'm waiting at the airport, I can take a couple minutes real quick, give my car a quick cleanup. Guys, your passengers are gonna be in and out of your car all day, no matter what the weather conditions. So if it's dirty out, it's rainy out, it's muddy out, you're gonna get a bunch of dirt and stuff in your car. And when you have a dirty car, it looks terrible and it's horrible as a passenger when you get in there and you see that. It's not gonna create the kind of environment you want to get extra tips. Everything I'm saying here is so you can make extra money. I absolutely love this little vacuum. I only got this a little while ago. This thing is the best thing that ever happened to a clean car. It comes with a cord that plugs right into your car, so you can use it right in your AC adapter, so it's super easy. Super easy to use, super easy to set up. Guys, and then if I forget, all these items you can find in the link below. Go to my kit and it'll take you right to the description for all the items you see in this video. It comes with a filter. All right, it's a stainless steel filter, so you never have to buy another one. You just have to keep cleaning this one. It's simple to take out. You just dust it off a little bit, clap it out, bang it out. For all those hard to reach spots, a hose adapter. You have a brush for your carpet. and you have this other little attachment that I use all the time. Helps you get in those tough to reach places with the vacuum. Instead of this big nose, you got this tiny little nozzle right here. All right, the next thing I always have in my car are these quickie microfiber all-purpose cleanup rags. What I use these for, I use it for a couple things. These are great to have in my center console. I pull this out when I need to dust off my dashboard or dust off the car, especially in this season right now in the summer. We just had a lot of pollen. There was always constantly stuff on my dashboard, and it really makes it look like crap when it's on there. So I use these for a dry dusting. The good thing about these too, you can also wipe up any spills with this, and also I use these for when I'm using like Armor All protectant or anything like that on my dash, and I want to protect all my surfaces. I use this for the same thing. What's really great about these, this is super cheap. I think this is about $10 for this, and it comes with a 24 pack. I think it's about $10. But these things are also washable, so no matter how dirty you get them, you can just throw them in the washing machine and reuse them. Okay, so I wasn't a big fan of these. I was more about having a bottle of Windex in my car, but it just wasn't happening, and I was finding my windows were dirty all the time, and I couldn't take it anymore. And although I'm opposed to waste, I did get the disposable wipes, and honestly, I'm really happy that I got them, and I should have got them sooner, because now my windshield doesn't look like a complete piece of crap and junk because it's full of filth and film and just like garbage from the air and everybody being in there. So now I get to have clean windshields, I get to have clean windows all the time. Definitely should have some glass cleaner in your cars. All right, got some more wipes here. All right, so this is Meguiar's leather wipes. I need it for my car because I have leather. It's in the hot sun, my seats are in the hot sun, the car's getting really hot, the leather's getting dry. People are getting in and out of my seats all the time. It's getting cracked, they're getting beat up. You gotta make sure you condition them if you got leather seats. If you have cloth seats, I definitely would suggest getting some sort of a seat shampoo. I've seen them at the store. They come with a spray usually and a brush. Get that so you can clean your seats a little bit. People actually track in a lot of filth. When I use these on my seats and I wipe them off, they come out almost black, just dark and dirty, and it just lets me know that there's just so much dirt and stuff you don't see that gets carried in and out on people's clothing. So you need something to clean your seats. For leather, definitely get Meguiar's. I love this stuff. The exterior of the car, when you pull up, you gotta look good, you gotta look fresh. One of the best things I've ever done, and you can see it too. If you have some clean looking tires, some shiny tires on your car, even if your car's not that clean, this is gonna make it look a whole lot better. I use this all the time. I love this stuff. If you want to have a clean car, you can't have water spots, okay? So if you're going to spend the money to have your car cleaned up, make sure you have a chamois or a towel on hand. I use these chamois right there. These things are the best. They roll up, they come in this container, this case right here. You keep it in your car, it's not going to get anything wet. It contains everything right in here. So it's not always going to happen, but sometimes people will spill stuff in your car. So if you're not going to have a terry cloth towel, definitely have some paper towels. Honestly, I think you should have the paper towels anyways, and use, a plastic bag. Keep them in your car. You never know what kind of trash people are going to leave behind. They will leave it behind, trust me. And you never know what's going to be in your car that you need to just throw in a trash bag. Maybe you got some dirty paper towels that you just used and you got to put them somewhere. Have a plastic trash bag to take care of your trash. Keep your car clean. So another product that I always have to help maintain and keep my car clean and also maintain the quality of the car is Armor All Protectant. I use this with the quickie towels that I was showing you earlier. This stuff will help protect your dash, it helps clean it, and it helps protect it from the sunlight. You're going to be out there, your car's going to be getting beat up by the sun. You got to protect it, you got to clean it.